morning. Let's start the Oxford Syllabus of Mathematics, Book 1, D1, Chapter number 4, Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 4a. Without choosing a calculator, simplify each of the following expressions. This is the question number 2. In this expressions, we do not have to use the calculator. Let's start. First part is minus 3x square plus bracket start minus 7x square plus 9 minus 18. Let's start the question. As this is 4a, question number 2. Part A, minus 3x square plus bracket start minus 7x square plus 9 minus 18. As there are two type of values, one is with the variable x square 7x square. These two values are with the variables x square, and the other value is the constant. There is no variable 9 and 18, so we have to multiply or add or subtract the values by the signs of the expressions. There are two numbers 3x square and 7x square. They will add up or subtract by themselves together, and 9 and 18 will subtract or add by together. We cannot subtract or add x square with the 9 or x square with the 18 because these are constants and these are variable values. So variable of the coefficients of the same variables will be plus or minus. As I told you, the same number, same signs will be add and the opposite signs will be subtract. 3x square plus minus, these are multiplying two signs, those are opposite signs, so we will minus 7x square plus 9 minus 18. Minus minus, these are same signs, so it will be add up. Minus minus plus 3 and 7 will become 10. 10x square minus minus plus, but the sign will be follow up by the 7 because 7 is greater than 3. So minus 10x square. Now 9 and 18 will be sum up by together. These are plus minus minus. 18 minus 9, the answer will be 9, but the sign will be follow up by the 18 because 18 is greater than 9. Minus 9. This is the answer of the first part. Now B part. B part we have 14x square minus 15x square minus 8x minus 10x. So this is x square, 14x square, and this is also x square. The variables are same, so we will add up together. 14 and 15, they will be subtract because one is positive and other is negative. Plus minus minus, so it will become x square, 1x square, and 1, there is no need to write 1 with the x square. X square means 1x square. Sign will be negative because 15 is greater than 14. Now 8x and 10x have the same variables. They will be sum up by together. Minus minus plus, 10 plus 8, 18. 18x, and the sign will be negative with them because 10 is greater than 8 and 10 have negative sign. Now C part. In C part, 6y square plus 19 z plus 9y square minus 8y z. This is y square and this is y square. So these will be sum up by together. Then let's arrange the values. 6y square plus 9y square plus 19z minus 8y z. 6y square plus 9y square plus 9 plus 6 is 15. 15y square plus 19z minus 8yz. These have different variables. This has 19 has variable z and 8 has variable yz. So this could not be summed up together. This is the final answer. Now part D. In D part we have 5y square minus x y minus y square minus bracket minus 10 y x. There are two same variables, y square and xy, and yx is the same. No, there is no problem of the order of the variables, but the variables are same, xy and xy. So these could be summed up together. Let's arrange the values. 5y square minus y square minus xy minus plus 10y x. Y square, 5y square plus minus 5y square minus 1 square, there are 4y square, 4y square. Now this is minus xy and plus 10yx, plus minus 10 minus 1 9 plus 9xy. Now part E. In part E we have w square plus 2w minus 7 minus bracket minus 11 w square minus 5 w minus 1. Now there are two w square variables, one w square and one constant value. Let's arrange them. W square minus plus 11 w square plus 11 w square plus 2w minus 5w minus 7 minus 1. W plus w square plus 11 w square plus. So it will become 12 w square plus 2w minus 5w plus minus. These are opposite, so we will subtract the values. 5 minus 2, there is 3 minus 3w, because 5 is greater value, so the sign will be negative. Minus 7 minus 1, minus these are same, it will be plus. We will add them. 7 plus 1 8 minus 8. Now F part. Minus 4 h square minus 9 k square minus bracket minus 2 h k plus 3 h square minus 7 k square plus 2 k h. Let's solve the values. Minus 4 h square. Now h square is plus 3 h square. Now minus 9 k square minus 9 k square minus 7 k square minus 7 k square minus plus 2 h k plus 2 h k plus 2 h k plus minus 4 minus 3 we have minus a square minus minus plus 9 plus 7 we have 16. It will become minus 16 k square plus 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 we have 4 h k. This is the final answer of the F part. These are the solutions of the question number 2, exercise 4a. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.